Well, your 13 things have turned out very strangely for you this year. No final revision, no exams, and I'm afraid we're just going to have to wait and see whether the end of term parties will be possible. But I do know that if you're heading to university later this year, you might be just a bit nervous about making that leap, especially without your last term in school to prepare. Well, I'm pleased to say that we're working to help you with that. Working with universities and other partners, we've developed resources to help you make a connection with your university and build your skills and confidence before you go. Academic content, programming, research skills, language skills, there are lots of options geared directly to you. So please take advantage of them and use this time well to give yourself a great head start for uni. I remember when I was about to make that leap, I wish I'd had the opportunity to get a bit better prepared. So good luck, pob lwc, a diolch am gwrando. Thank you for listening.